Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. This is a fun rocker skull. I love this. This look is actually inspired by Radiate by Rachel. I think that's all her socials, to be honest. She has TikTok and she has Instagram that I know of, but I got inspiration from her. I mean, it's almost identical to hers, to be honest. Anyway, today's video is a collaboration with my friend Ariana from Twisted Glam. We both decided to do skull looks. Go ahead and check out her channel. She is so talented and her videos are so amazing. I am sure you will love them. Don't forget to check her out. I cannot wait to see her look and how her video panned out. Anyway, we are both doing kind of speed painting situations because we both cannot talk while doing paint. I have ultimate concentration while I'm doing this, and honestly I binge Netflix like all day while I'm doing these face and body paints for Halloween. If you haven't already, please go ahead and check out my Instagram. I did 31 days of Halloween. I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. It's the last week as you're watching this. Honestly, really excited to be done with it, but I'm also like kind of sad and I want to get back into more creative makeup throughout the year and not just Halloween, and still incorporate reviews on my channel. I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I just miss this so much. I am such an artistic person. I love creating looks and doing face and body paint. It's like my true passion. So hopefully I can incorporate that more on my channel. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So this is the final look. I'm so happy with how this turned out, as you guys know. Anyway, don't forget to check out Ariana's channel as well. I can't wait to see what her look looks like. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.